Today we have a 1967 Aston Martin DB6 that is absolutely exceptional. It has been known to us for many years. We've known it through several ownerships, and it is in incredible condition and just gone through the workshop, and we're going to take it for a ride. So let's go. So let's fire it up. If in the morning, if it was absolutely cold, you put the choke on and just turn the key, and it will go in a warm-up idle. Oil pressure is at 120 pounds. Oil and water are at 0. Okay, let's get on the road. We have just had this car in the shop, and we have a list of a few things that still will be needed to deliver to its next ownership in proper form. One of which is the speedo that is not working, and this was working the other day, so that will be repaired. And the tack, which, hello, is not working either. All other gauges are working. Water temp is coming up. Fuel gauge is working. Oil is not warm yet. Oil pressure is good. We will get to the air conditioner in a little while, which is aftermarket, but a lovely unit that is based out of the center under dash, and which actually works exceptionally well. The car was long-term owned in France. It was converted from right to left.
Tally-ho.
That was a very little tally-ho.
Tally-ho.
Today, Jason and I decided that on some of these cars, we're going to take them out even when they have a list and in need, because this is our road test, and we feel like we're quite accustomed to doing our road tests as we have. But in this case, maybe we'll just take you guys along, you guys and gals, along with us while we write our list of what may be needed and what any of our automobiles may need before they go to a new home and before they go into the shop, or during their going into the shop, and a road test because of work we've done, or a road test to confirm the work that we have done. So I hope everyone likes them, because we are going to show that these cars do have their needs, and why when they leave Autosport Designs, they are prepared to the best of our ability. I do go back and forth to home on several occasions to write my lists and long road test reports. The carburetors were just done and rebuilt, and I insisted that regardless of the tack and the speedo, I get to drive it to see what's next, if anything. Gearbox and clutch are excellent. Suspension's excellent. Structure's excellent. Nice little key fob. Aston Martin Owners Club. So as we warm it up, we gotta go through the gears, and second, third, fourth, fifth gear, and we're going to go down the curvaceous road to set up for our flybys. They're lovely cars for 4. I'm prejudiced. I love them. I think the DB6 is... I love the design with the camtail, where a lot of people disagree, but I prefer a DB6 to a DB5. I think they're the best driving of the luxurious DBs. And we will let Jason out as we normally do. flybys are over. We don't have a tack, but from memory and feel, I can say that's about 3,000 RPM, and oil pressure at operating temperatures is perfect, as is the water and the oil temps. While we wait for some of the traffic to go by, we're going to try the air conditioning, which is also working exceptionally nicely. And head towards the farm road, get on a little bit, and once we're done, bring it back to the homestead, throw it into the shop, prepare the minor items that we've discussed, clean it up, give it a couple more road tests, and have it prepared and ready for its next new owner, whoever that may be. Wipers work. No silly rattles, which is quite nice. It's got a Harvey Bailey suspension kit. It's always been a proper car. We've gone through the gears before. We're going to get on a little bit. And as you can see, she's perfectly ready to be an exceptional grand tourer, and she's pretty quick for the era. She sounds good, she feels good, and since it's been a little crazy day, let's do one more of these so I can hear one of your tally-hoes.
Tally-ho!
So, thank you for watching yet again, and we will be back to you on our next road test. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.